तो इस वक्त महाकुंभ में मैं मौजूद हूँ और मेरी मौजूदगी जहाँ पर है ठीक पीछे से आप देख रहे हैं कि लगातार ये प्रोसेशन जो है वो यहाँ से निकल रहा है और यहाँ की ये तस्वीरें वाकई में अद्भुत हैं। आप देखिए लगातार गंगा मैया की जय और जय श्री राम के नारों के बीच यहाँ से निकलते हुए ये जत्थे नजर आ रहे हैं। और यहाँ पर जो मौजूदगी मेरी है, सनातन की एक तरफ ये तस्वीर है और दूसरी तरफ उसी सनातन को देखते हुए यहाँ पर कई श्रद्धालु जो जुटे हैं, तो वहीं यहाँ पर विदेशी सैलानियों की जो भीड़ है वो भी लगातार देखने को मिल रही है। इजराइल से एक पूरा ग्रुप यहाँ पर पहुँचा है, जहाँ ये तस्वीर आप देखिए ढोल नगाड़ों के साथ यहाँ से ये प्रोसेशन जो है वो निकलते हुए नजर आ रहा है। अलग अलग अखाड़े और फूलों से इनका स्वागत किया जा रहा है। तो ये भी एक तस्वीर है और सनातन किसी तस्वीर के साक्षी बनने के लिए इजराइल से एक बड़ा ग्रुप यहाँ पर पहुंचा है। कैथी मेरे साथ हैं। हाय कैथी, वेलकम टू इंडिया।
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here. It's a wonderful experience for us. It's my first time in India and I think you have a wonderful country.
How many people are there from Israel?
20 in our
So
group.
it's a group of 20 people. You guys have planned for Mahakumbh only?
No, tomorrow we are leaving here and we are going to Agra and we have already been to Delhi and to Varanasi.
Okay. Since 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. you guys are here. How's the cold and how's the atmosphere?
It's a very special experience, you know, because we didn't know what to expect. But yes, it was cold, but I'm very happy we did it.
What do you feel about this procession which is going on just behind us?
Where?
Just behind us, the procession which is going on. What do you feel about it?
It's something so special for me to see all these people coming to worship their leaders. Yes, it's wonderful.
Right. So, what do you feel that is it a message of universal brotherhood that's going all over the world through India?
All the people are coming here because it's really something very special and very exciting. Very exciting, yeah.
So this is Kathy with us, and we have a lot of people from Israel. If cameraman Rakesh would pan the camera, I can show you. This is a huge group from Israel who have just come to witness this Mahakumbh in India. Since how long you guys have been here?
They are here for like 18 days.
Okay. So when are you guys going back?
Day after tomorrow.
Okay. How's your experience?
Excellent. Everything was excellent.
So what do you feel about this procession that's just going on in front of our eyes?
It's something magnificent. Nobody can imagine such a huge scale things beyond imagination.
Estimatedly 45 crore people will be here in the span of 45 days.
Got to know the same. Got to know the same, and it's magnificent. That's all I can say.
What do you feel about Sanatan?
Sanatan is like a very big. I should not say organization. It's like a religion, not a religion. It's a way of style. What I got to know, and very powerful, and very devotional, and very particular about their rules and regulations. It's amazing. Can't define such a big thing.
Sorry, I forgot to ask your name.
My name is Rahul.
So Rahul, what are you taking back with you?
Great memories, kind of a lifetime of memories, because I got to know that this has happened for like after 144 years. So maybe like my 3 generations earlier might have heard about it, and next maybe 3 more generations will wait to see it again.
Do you feel that a message of universal brotherhood will go in the world through India?
Of course, because you know everybody here is like, you know, so calm and joyful and excited and emotional as well, and of course it's a unity thing here.
So there are also few people here. Everybody is from Israel. This is a huge group. Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel. What's your name?
Zev.
Zev. So what is your experience about Kumbh?
I'm overwhelmed.
What do you feel the message that the world will take out of it?
I hope that peace and love.
Peace and love. What is your take on Kumbh?
What is it? What?
What is your take on Kumbh and what are you gonna take back with you as a memory?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, very. very big.
What do you feel about Sanatan and this dharma?
Uh,
About Sanatan, about this feeling?
It's something very special. It's the first time in my life that I, have experience like this. Well, you are 1.5 million people. I can't imagine how many people.
So you guys will be leaving tomorrow.
We are going. Wow, I don't remember. Please.
So this is a good memory that you will take along. Would you like to say anything?
We love you, India. You are very nice people. It's enough.
Thank you so much. तो इज़राइल का ये एक बड़ा ग्रुप यहाँ पर पहुँचा है जिसमें 20 लोग इज़राइल से यहाँ पर पहुँचे इंडिया को एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए, सनातन को एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए और ख़ास तौर पर महाकुंभ के इस महा मौके पर ये यहाँ पर पहुँचे। एक अद्भुत यहाँ पर जो संयोग है उसको विटनेस करने के लिए ये लोग यहाँ पर पहुँचे और हर किसी की ज़ुबान से वाओ, अनएक्सेप्शनल, लव, पीस और ऐसे तमाम शब्द जब आप सुनते हैं तो आप वाकई में महसूस करते हैं कि किस तरीके से वसुधैव कुटुंबकम और यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड का मैसेज सनातन के इस धरा से दुनिया भर में जा रहा है। कैमरामैन राकेश के साथ अमृता गर्ग, न्यूज़ नेशन, प्रयागराज।
न्यूज़ नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताज़ा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज़ नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें।